Hi, Amol.
Hi, Miss Seema.
Yes, good evening, and we're
Very good evening.
happy to have you with us.
I am glad to be here.
Right. I gave them a quick introduction about you.
Right.
Right. So, Amol, would you like to share as a sports
So,
person?
just,
Right.
please don't mind me interrupting you. I'll just share
Yes.
with you that.
Yeah, please go ahead. Tell us, Amol. Carry on.
I think there's a lot of problem with the connection. Can I? I'll just try to rejoin, or maybe I'm. Please tell me if I'm audible.
Yes, you are perfectly audible. Am I audible to you? Have we lost him? Okay, no issues. We can continue once he's back. I'd like to invite from the audience. Okay. Amol, am I audible to you? You're muted, Amol.
Hi. Bye.
Yes. Am I audible
Am I
now?
audible?
Yeah, you're
Yes.
very
Yes.
much
I think.
audible.
Yeah.
Yes, you're very
I
much
think.
audible.
So just to tell you, I was in a session actually. So maybe because of
Right.
that, there's a little bit of. I'll just show you the entire
Right.
video of the track, as well as
Right.
the children who are there with me for the practice.
Right. Absolutely.
So just as an example, this is a एक नई आज़ादी. I mean,
Ji.
we are actually free to do whatever we like as per our understandings. We are free to support whatever we look forward to. We are free to do and follow whatever we want to. So,
Yes.
so introducing, I mean, just rectifying this ek nahi azadi. I mean, the way I am, I was in my session and then trying to listen to this webinar, which has been amazing till now. So I would, really
Thank you so
exemplify.
much.
Yeah. So would really exemplifies the concept ek nahi azadi.
So would you like to add on to what is freedom exactly according to what you think? आपके सोच में आजादी क्या है? Like, as an individual, आप sports के field में हो. So if there's something that you would like to share on, on that perspective as well. एक खिलाड़ी के पर्सपेक्टिव से आजादी आपके लिए क्या होती है?
जी बिल्कुल. I mean, it has been more than 12 years that I've been a part of the roller sports contingent. I've been into Indian roller sports team as well as Chandigarh roller hockey and speed team. So I mean, and now I am following my passion of still being into the sport and the sports industry, and trying to cater to the children who love roller sports and who are passionate, trying to guide the parents. So I mean, the freedom to so I feel this freedom. I feel कि जैसे when I started, I was into roller sports, so I am able to continue this professionally. This is abhi, if you talk about a few years back, maybe a coach is not being a coach is not a recommended or advised profession. But nowadays, we are free to follow whatever we want to. And I mean, when you want to get into it, you find the entire universe, or the entire things around you. They help to support you to get into it and to rise above. So this I feel is freedom to the new generation, to the youth like us.
Absolutely.
I mean, yeah. So I believe this is the concept. I mean, the way you want to work, the way you want the passion you want to follow. So this is ek nahi azadi, I believe. And how I mean, if you find everything positive, if you talk about technology, the way we have connected. I am right now, I'm in the stadium, and we have a webinar.
Right.
We are connected. So this is all freedom. I mean, just we are able to use the entire environment, take the support of entire environment, as well as what all things are available to us very freely, and do whatever we like to.
I think
And
that was a wonderful point that you got with regarding to the technology as well. One, that following your passion is freedom to you. आजादी वो है कि आप अपनी दिल की सुने और अपनी दिल की करें जो आपको सही लगता है. And also about the freedom to reach out to people from anywhere and get connected. That again is yes, a freedom from being bounded by boundaries or limited by the distances. I think now everybody's got a freedom to reach out through the technology. So that's a wonderful point.
right.
Something. Thank you so much, Amol, for that points of yours. They're so valuable. I think it's a new perspective that we've got about the technology.
I really had one thing.
Yes.
Yeah. So I really had one thing in my mind, actually, considering, obviously in any kind of field, in any kind of field, in any kind of profession, in any kind of sport, in any kind of industry, there are certain, I would like to mention, there are certain people who actually follow a negative direction to reach a certain goal, or maybe they have a goal which would hurt anybody, or be negative for anybody. So I would like to communicate to, I mean, as a sports person, as a coach, as a person in the sports profession, where we have to be positive at each and every moment.
Sure.
So, I mean, I would like to share this thing for every individual. I mean, whether new gen or any or in any profession, that you have to be positive at each and every moment. Hurdles are there. Hurdles are there. There will be problems. There will be there will be things which will be pulling you back. I would call them things. But if you're positive, if your direction is right, then you're going to go long term. And I really believe then you are, you have that freedom to reach that goal. So, right. So, I mean, hurdles are there, should be there. And, but you should be, strong enough to always pass them on. And, and in the end, you're going to win always. So this is my message. I mean, one thing I had in my mind in relative to freedom, that there's freedom, you want to follow whatever you want to do, but there will be hurdles and you don't have to get motivated.
Right. Awesome, Amol. Coming from youth like you is really, something to applaud about. I think even he deserves a round of applause. Because as we go on in our journey, we all, tend to wear that invisible cap that, we know everything, we know all. People who have crossed a certain age is what I'm talking about. So coming from you, it's really, again, an eye-opening session. And I think, Amol, you need to know that most of the people on this panel right now are people who have crossed hurdles in their lives, whatever kind, and have emerged successful because they have not got demotivated, as you said. So I think keeping on the positivity and facing the hurdles as they come as a part of the process is something that leads us to the freedom that we want in our lives, right?